Look at that. And what I also did on the original is I selected, or I made a copy of this ocean. I'll make a copy of it, and I'll call this background. I selected the top of this image here just to the water level, just almost to the sea level area there. I can go down just a little bit lower if I want to. And I flipped this horizontally. Look at that. And for a final effect, I can add Mark's secret color blending layers onto this image. And so I'll show you how I create these, but you can see on the original, on the final one here, it has a different color to it. Well, that's because I have these two layers, this blue layer and this green layer on this image over here. And so what I can do is select these two colors on this image and drag them over to this one. And look at that, and now we can get the same coloring. And this image this image over here is not as tall, so I'll need to resize these two layers. And this is just, sort of an extra little thing that you can do. And really all this is a couple of layers that are filled with color. You can see this is what they look like. And all I did was made a new layer, and I filled them in with a color. And then I applied an overlay, and then I lowered the opacity, and the same thing with the blue. And that creates this effect that you see right here. I like what it does to the sky and everything. It just looks beautiful. And we can add on this more, and I'm just going beyond the tutorial now by doing this, but I have another little building here that I made that I thought just looked awesome, so I wanted to include it. So it looks a little bit like futuristic, like this used to be land, and the water's just taking over the land. And it's washing it away because we used to have these old buildings, but now they're getting close to the water. Something like that. Check it out. And I have a line up here. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, okay. I see that. I'll just go ahead and delete that real quick. There we go. And check it out. And we could go ahead and zoom into it. And there is your Surreal mist. Now you can do the same technique on a lot of different images. Let me show you another image. Move this out of the way. Move this out of the way as well. And let's open up Beach Mist. Here's another image right here. Same exact thing. And you can see this is the layer that I applied. I used the mouse, or I used the brush tool, and I went in here and added some streams like this. And then I used the zoom effect, and then I waved it with the twirl filter. And I also waved the entire image, all the exact same steps. And this is the end result. And you can see this is the original. I mean, it's just, there's no, it looks like there was no slow shutter at all. It was just taken at high speed. But then we turn it into something like this. So yes, you can use this on other images as well. So have fun with that. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys on the next video.